The government is left with no option but to make gold imports more expensive, says Finance Minister P. Chidambaram, as raising imports of the precious metal continue to stretch the current account deficit with added pressure from slowing exports.
I've spoken about the current account deficit, CAD, on a number of occasions. The current account deficit for the first half of the current year stood at $38.7 billion, or 4.6% of GDP. Gold imports constituted a substantial chunk of the imports and is a huge drain on the current account. I would therefore appeal to the people to moderate the demand for gold, which leads to large imports of gold. I may add that we may be left with no choice but to make it a little more expensive to import gold. This matter is under government's consideration.